Beautiful people, today you're going to learn how to make this delicious vegan Oreo cheesecake. Let's go! For this you're going to want 3 packets of Oreos, 2 cans of coconut milk, 400 grams of dried cashews which you're going to soak overnight, 100 grams of melted vegan butter, 200 grams of sugar, 4 teaspoons of agar powder and 4 teaspoons of vanilla essence. First up we need to separate our cookies from the cream. Do that to all of them, just leave about half a packet intact. Blend up the Oreo cookies with 100 grams of melted vegan butter. That's going to be the base for our cake. Right, pack it down with a cup. Nice. Next up, go in with your 400 grams of cashews, which you've soaked overnight. Add in your 2 cans of coconut milk, and then your 4 teaspoons of vanilla essence, and the cream from the Oreos. Alright, you're gonna blitz that up, make it nice and creamy. Now on a medium flame, you're gonna add in 200 grams of sugar, 4 teaspoons of agar powder, and give it a good stir until you can see the bubbles start forming. Next up, pour that in, refrigerate that for about 5 or 6 hours, and you should be left with something like this. Now, how you decorate it's up to you. I've just placed a bowl in the center, sprinkled on some Oreo dust around that, packing it down, clean it up, and just decorate it with some Oreo halves along the edges. And there you go, folks. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Folks, if you like vegan recipes, please make sure you're following me. I've got a whole ton of them here. I certainly hope you enjoyed this one. Ciao for now, and I will see you on the next one.